Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a charging port board on the Motorola Moto G Power 2021 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, pull out the logic board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex and two antenna heads from the charging port board. Next, remove the not working charging port board by undoing the screw. Next, place and secure the new charging port board on the frame. Next, secure the screw and then connect the main flex and two antenna heads to the board. Next, place and secure the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave it for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.